Georgia O'Keeffe, the artist, loved to paint leaves and flowers and rocks. She became famous for her paintings of desert landscapes and larger-than-life poppies. She made it look so easy, but life wasn't always easy. Born in 1887, Georgia O'Keeffe was one of 7 children. At the age of 10, she decided to become an artist. She attended art schools and began teaching other upcoming artists. She was on her way to fulfilling her dream. But hey, money was tight and times were hard. For example, her father went bankrupt, and her mother, she became seriously ill with tuberculosis. And then, at age 19, Georgia O'Keeffe contracted typhoid fever. Later, the measles. Still, she pushed on with courage and determination. Georgia once said, "I've been absolutely terrified every moment of my life, but I've never let it keep me from doing a single thing I wanted to do." In 1949, she moved to New Mexico, where she lived and painted until her death at, I think, the age of 98. Now, while most people who knew her described her as a loner with a prickly personality, she also carried a kind of quietness and calm. You can see this quietness and calm through her approach to flowers. Georgia O'Keeffe once said, "Nobody sees a flower, really. It is so small, it takes time. We haven't time. And to see takes time. Like to have a friend takes time." Georgia O'Keeffe said, "When you take a flower in your hand and really look at it, it's your world for the moment." And finally, she said, "A flower touches everyone's heart." I hope you have a great week. Cheers.